Is this not how you feel? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I put these kind of videos on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays, so if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. There is kind of also a playlist for things like this. We're going to be focusing on skin, and there's a few other videos for skin. My skin's kind of, I don't know, she's picky. We're definitely sensitive. We have the potential to get so oily. Like, you want to fry a turkey, you want to fry an army of turkeys for Thanksgiving, my face has the oils. But I just showered. I don't know if you can tell, I just showered, and I wanted to try these little cuties out that have been sitting in my bathroom right here on my counter forever. Like, I clean, I lift, clean, put these right back down. They have lived here. They are the face masks from the Colourpop times Avatar times Colourpop collection, and I really want to try them. Well, I should say 4-3 Beauty, but Colourpop 4-3 Beauty. And there's two in here. B2Ws, there's two. One of them is the Water Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask, and the other one is Earth, the Big Detox Mud Mask. And I've seen people do what I do what I'm gonna do, and they mix them, and I'm gonna do that. This packaging is so cute. I really don't want to throw it away, but like, I'm gonna keep all of my Colourpop packaging, I swear. So cute. It has Katara and Toph on it, and I love that. And the instructions are pretty simple. For both of them, it's the same. It says apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave for 5 to 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and then use as often as you need. Safe for all skin types, dermatologist tested, 100% cruelty-free, vegan, no parabens, and gluten-free. Cute. I like it. But look at these! Water and earth. Yes, yes, yes. I love this. I don't know if you know, like this, maybe you couldn't tell from all the other videos I have dedicated just to Avatar: The Last Airbender, but I love that show. Love. And then, like, I procrastinated forever doing the Legend of Korra, and when I watched it, I watched two days straight, stayed up watching it. Love it, love it. And then Netflix is coming out with like the real life anime. Love it. Anyway, I'm promoting Avatar: The Last Airbender because that's how much I love it. But we're gonna try these. Do I need my little, where's my little applicator stick doodle? This is what I use. Dollar store, I'm telling you. Or Shop Miss A. One of the two. Picked it up, use it. How do I want to do this? So I feel, what needs hydrated and what needs detoxed? My nose for sure needs detox, so we'll do both. Oh, look how cute. We have like a little, oh. Oh, that smells nice. What are your ingredients? Are you gonna tell me on here? I'm gonna probably have to go online and check. It smells good. I like that. I got a little bit on my nail. All right. So, I mean, you can come in with your finger too. I usually use this if it's sticky, slimy, I don't want to touch it. But this smells so nice, and it feels good too. I like that. Put this on my nose. Wow, we're coating very well. Like, even when I'm trying to do like a thin out a layer, we're still in here. Look. Oh, after it dries a bit, yeah, you can pick it right back up, but I like this. How low. I like it. I'm gonna come in a little bit on my chin too. Welcome to finger painting. How thin of a thin coat can we go? I'm making a mess on my face. Ooh. And like a little bit in the middle of my forehead. Just a little bit. Like, and I'm just coming in here and dabbing. I'm not scooping or anything. Which is what I thought I was gonna have to do. But no. I like it. Alright, so we're done with the the big detox. It smells so good. We're done with this one for now. And then this, oh, my nose is a little itchy. It is drying, so my nose is getting itchy. This one is the 4th Ray Beauty Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask. This, I'm probably going to put everywhere else. Cute. Yeah, I want to know what this one smells like too. Ooh. Very like hyaluronic-y. Is that a word? Because I've been using it a lot lately, like some sprays, it's in a serum I have. This, they all smell the same. What does that smell? Like, do you know what I'm talking about? How hyaluronic acid smells? That's what this smells like. I'm just gonna grab a bit. And we're gonna go under my eyes. I'm gonna try not to get too close. And then fill in over here. Very soft. Okay. And then again, just a little like dabby dab under my eyes. And then out. Yes, in case you're wondering, I do need to repaint my nails. No, I have not decided on the color yet. Cool, okay. Chill. Like, it says a thin layer, but I mean, I guess that's cool. So right there. And I'll bring it up, bring my towel back a bit so I can get up here as close as I can to my hairline. And I like that the big detox is already kind of dried down a bit. So when I accidentally get too close or I go over it, it still stays there. It's not like it smudges. I mean, it's shiny. I want to know how it dries down. And I'm gonna come in. I want to get it just on the tippity tips of my finger because I have these dry spots right here on my eyes. So I just want to come in right here just to see if it'll help. Otherwise, I come in with like super eye cream, and even then the next day sometimes it's dry. And I'm telling you, my skin is sensitive. Emotionally, oily, physically. My whole brow bone up in there, I guess. Cool. So now we wait. So soak it up. Drying doesn't even look like there's anything on my skin. It's drying like shiny clear, as you can very well see. And then for the big detox, it's drying down. Look at like my pores. You can just see. Oh, it's kind of creeping me out, and I don't want to get too close and show you, but is that me? Is this me? Look at this. Look at this. Look. Does that not like This kind of creeps me out. Is it foamy? Is it bubbly? Oh, it's dry. We're just creepy looking. My forehead too, you can see where I like lift and it wrinkles. You can see my pores. And this kind of creeps me out. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, Google. Set a timer for 15 minutes, please.
15 minutes, and we're starting now.
Guess what? Guess what? It's been 10 minutes. This hyaluronic, not hyaluronic acid, just hyaluronic masky doodle. I kind of like went to lay down and put my like face on my hand thinking because this was dry and I could touch it, no problem, that this would be the same. It's not. When you touch it, it comes off on your hands. Yes. We're at the 15 and change mark here, and this feels like chalk on my face. It's kind of cool. I don't like how it like accentuated my pores there for a bit, but now that we've dried down a bit more, I think it's okay. This is just a mess. Don't even bother. This is like the zone I was concentrating in. Also, the lids of my brows. Lid brows? Brow lids. Eyelid brow bone. Something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off now. Let's let the magic of editing shorten this time frame for you. Does it say just to like rinse off and go about your day? Yeah. Rinse thoroughly. I mean, it's good stuff. Is it wow, amazing, fantastic, best I've ever had? No. I mean, the part where I put the hyaluronic does feel a lot smoother. I just want to throw that out there. Feels so smooth. Look overall, no, looks the same. But I mean, you're not going to be able to see that right away, especially with just one use. It takes, from what I've learned with skincare, it takes a couple months, not weeks, not days, not minutes, months of continuous consecutive use. I'm preaching to myself here, for you to see results. But this, I mean, right here does feel like a little tighter compared to like normally, and over here just feeling it touch, oh, we're smooth. I like that. I hope up here stays smooth. That'll be like one of my concerns with my little dry spots. I swear I could be like a raccoon or a little panda because I have the little things over my eyes, or a German Shepherd like my dogs. Yeah. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Have you guys tried these cute little, I want to say little avatar masks? The Soak It Up and the Big Detox from 4-3 Beauty. Have you tried these? Did you like them? Were they okay? Like, did you prefer one over the other? I know they're not called the same thing on, like, when you go to 4-3 Beauty to repurchase these types of masks. They're called something different, but they do the same thing. So I wonder if I should keep doing these. I know I need to keep on with masks. I've been just doing the face sheet masks, and it's okay. I have not been consistent with those. So I wonder if I'd be consistent with something like I can actually get my hands into and play with, or I don't know. We'll see. Definitely, I love how smooth it feels right here. I'm like obsessed. Do you guys try both, or did you only get like one? Or have you tried the normal masks from 4-3 Beauty? Like, not normal, but like the regular ones from 4-3 Beauty, not like the Avatar, The Last Airbender special edition itty bitty little cutie patooties. Just the regular ones. Did they work for you? Do you like them? Do you repurchase them? Is it like a thing? I need to know. I need to know. Or is there better? these are also questions I have. I like this. I'm gonna try and keep up with this, keep doing it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll see how it goes. Remember, consistency is key. We'll see. I'll catch you next time. Bye.